In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inbox in HubSpot CRM. Getting familiar with HubSpot's inbox can really enhance how you manage communications, collaborate with your team, and streamline customer interactions. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. First off, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is easy. Just head over to the HubSpot website and follow the sign-up process. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, from where you can access all of HubSpot's powerful tools. Now, to access the inbox, you'll navigate to the CRM section. Simply look for the CRM option on the main menu and select Inbox. This is the central hub where all your communications come together in one cohesive place. Here, you can manage emails, chats, social media messages, and more, making it a pivotal part of your customer relationship management strategy. The true beauty of HubSpot's inbox lies in its versatility. You can connect it to a variety of communication channels, such as email, chat, forms, social media, SMS, or even calls. This integration allows you to have all your interactions centralized, which is incredibly beneficial for keeping track of everything and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Having multiple channels connected can often enhance how seamlessly you interact with customers and prospects, reducing the time spent jumping between different platforms. Once your channels are all set up, it's time to manage your conversations. HubSpot provides a range of tools for this. You can easily view all incoming messages in a clean, organized layout. When you click on a message, you have several options at your disposal. You're able to reply to messages directly from the inbox, which means minimal disruption to your workflow, as everything happens in one place. You can also assign messages to specific team members. This is perfect for ensuring that the right person responds to the inquiry, especially in larger teams, where specialized departments work on different aspects of customer service. For even more collaboration, you can leave comments on messages within the inbox. This is particularly useful when you want to discuss specific points with your teammates without alerting the customer. Moreover, you're able to forward messages to others outside of HubSpot if needed. This, coupled with the ability to create custom views, allows you to tailor your inbox setup to best fit your needs, filtering messages by certain criteria, such as priority, team, or message type. By actively using these features, you'll not only improve your customer support, but also empower your team to work more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide to using the HubSpot inbox helpful.